We're going to write code to figure out which of these pairs of bars holds the most water. This Leetcode medium problem is asked at a ton of top-tier tech companies, so it helps you if you know how to solve this. The problem gives you an array of heights which can be represented like this. The water that can be held between two bars is represented by the distance between the two bars and the length of the shorter bar. Now the brute force approach is to do a loop within a loop to consider every possible pair of heights and then find the area between them. But the time complexity of that is O of n squared, and we can actually solve this using O of n if we're using the two-pointer approach. Here's the intuition. We're going to start off with 2 pointers, one at the start of the array and one at the end of the array. Every time we update the maximum area, we're going to move the pointers closer to each other, but we're only going to move the pointer that represents the shorter height. We move the shorter height because it's the shorter height that limits how much water can be contained. And here's the code for that solution. We're going to initialize the max area and define our left and right pointers. We're going to keep finding the max area until the left and right pointers meet. We update the max area encountered by multiplying the height of the shorter bar times the distance in terms of indices between the heights. And we only move the pointer that represents the shorter height. I'm going through the entire blind list of 75 Leetcode questions, so if you want to be on that journey, follow me.